This one's called the, oh yeah, I'm not I'm not gonna get this one right anytime soon. All right, somebody give me some pronunciation in the comment. The Flascheno ffner Geist. Anyways, it is a Andreas Gold's design, black titanium with orange PO pattern. Let's go ahead and take a look. See what we got going on here. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, check this little guy out. Okay, this is very interesting here. Pretty straightforward unboxing, by the way. So it's got the item on the cutout, and I want to say this is one of those very interesting pieces of EDC items I see some people carry all the time. And up until now, I'm going to be very honest. Some of you guys have even asked in the comments what these are for. I myself have never, I'll be honest with you, this will be the first time I'm actually checking one out in person. I've never actually carried one of these myself. So I think it should be like a multi-purpose tool. For starters, I see a bottle opener right here. Right, so you have the ability to, you know, pop some bottles right there. It looks like we have two different bead holes if you wanted it to be a necklace or what have you. Right, we got some lanyard holes on both sides. Obviously, you know, the elephant in the room, it looks like a ghost, right? Got this ghost aesthetics to it. And I do like the finish, right? This kind of like rough rock looking finish to it. It's gonna be titanium. I'm not getting any pull here. I guess for what it's worth, it can also turn into like a brass knuckle in a way, right? An attitude adjuster. This is not a self-defense channel in any way, shape, or form, but I was testing it like this, and I'm like, wait a second, these two teeth are gonna stab the crap out of my middle finger, so it must be the other way around. Middle finger in the hole here, right? Index and ring finger are gonna be adjacent there, and then you got some support in the palm with the little ghost head, if you would. You need to like fight a kangaroo or something. You can land a good uppercut. You should be good to go there. That is also another purpose of these guys. They can be like a brass knuckles in a way, but they can also do a few other things for EDC, and they're not like a full fist, right? Other brass knuckles are actually built for every single finger with a cutout for every single one. They have a bigger reach or a larger real estate, if you would, and also highly illegal in a lot of places. So definitely look into brass knuckles and check if they are legal or not in your place, because chances are they might be pretty illegal. Now this is not a full brass knuckle, so you can see it's a little bit different, but it can serve that purpose at the same time. So a little bit of everything going on with this bad boy right here. Very interesting item for sure. I know some people swear by these and have a whole collection of kind of like everyday quirky items like this one that they also like to include in their rotation. I'll tell you what though, this orange peel finish, absolutely digging that. If they made that into a handle, I wouldn't even be upset, like a knife handle. It's actually looking pretty nice. Mainly it is described on the website as a bottle opener, right? A minimalistic sort of bottle opener, right? With this function right here. And they can definitely do that for sure. But we know, right? We use our imagination. We know it definitely can have multiple different purposes and whatnot.